Hi, this is Ralph Shaw from Century 21 Explorer here in Ottawa, and
David Armstrong, broker of record with Century 21, John DeVries.
So David, what do you think the best part of today was?
I thought it was a great training session. The agents took away a lot of really valuable information that they will be able to use right away in their business. Good enough is good enough. It's one of the strongest statements I think I've heard in a long time, and it will be great for people moving forward with video.
We had a super turnout here. We probably had 75% of our agents, and half of them are going to absolutely embrace this, and the other half didn't even want to come. But I think what was powerful is those ones that didn't want to come know they need to understand it, and I think they're going away with a whole different view of how they can integrate it, even if they hire some of it done, how to integrate it into their business, because this is a worldwide situation today. It's not something that's happening in the U.S. or whatever. It's a today, here, right now.
Yeah, and I think it'll be valuable tools that they picked up right away, things that they will be able to implement into their business right away, and the process of setting up the training session was fabulous. Michael and Diane gave us a great head start to it. They helped us through the grant process. It was a really easy process to get it, and as you say, 75% of our agents were here, and they enjoyed a great day of training.
Yeah, one of the things I really liked about it is it was bam, 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 bam. You know, it had a time pace about it that didn't waste a lot of time, and it kept everybody really engaged. So I liked the format, and the information was dynamic.
Yeah. Thank you, Michael and Diane.
Thank you.